held at West Karbi Anglong on voter list to link voter ID card with Aadhaar, new enrollment, correction and changes. Railways to start passenger train services. Over 224 kilograms of drugs disposed at Karbi Anglong on 30th July. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news and details. The meeting on voter list to link voter ID with Aadhaar, new enrollment, corrections and transfer was held at Conference Hall of the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Karbi Anglong. Deputy Commissioner Krishnesha Bora announced that the work to amend the errors in the voter list shall start from 4th August and requested the people to fill form number 1 to 8, which shall be available in the election office.
Reading of all the databases and printing will take place before 3/1/2023 and final publication of the electoral roll will be from 5/11/2023. So I would like, my dear friends, you publish it in a large way so that our new voters will come to know about this process. And there is another inclusion, those persons or youngsters who are above 17 years, they can apply beforehand also within this time.
Resource person Sukesh Das said that 17 years old can now be enrolled in advance. Also, transfer, correction and voluntary linking of voter ID with Aadhaar shall also start and can be updated every quarter. He also said that before there was only one election qualifying date, that is on 1st January. But now, in the new amendment, there are 4 election qualifying dates. They are 1st January, 1st April, 1st July and 1st October.
1 January, 1 January, qualifying qualifying date. 1st January, 1st April, 1st July, 1st October. 17 plus
West Karbi Anglong ADC Tahidur Rahman and election officer Amit Barbosa also attended the meeting. Daniel Inghe's report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live. Passenger train services that stopped due to COVID shall start resuming services, said the Indian Railway Minister. The railways had stopped passenger train services in March 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. People stranded across the country and who usually looked to the railways to ferry them home were left without their lifeline. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw announced that passenger train services shut due to COVID-19 shall resume to services. As per sources, the Ministry of Railways readies to restore passenger trains to pre-COVID level in next few weeks, announced Union Railway Minister. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. On 30th July, around 11 a.m., over 224 kilograms of recovered drugs was set on fire as per the direction of District Drug Disposal Committee, Karbi Anglong at 5 Mile, Diphu Road, Karbi Anglong. As per Narcotic Drugs Psychotropic Substance Act 1985, District Drug Control Committee directed Karbi Anglong Police with due clearance from the State Pollution Control Board dispose nearly 224 kilograms of recovered drugs at 5 Mile, Diphu Road, Diphu, Karbi Anglong on 30th July. Due to vigilant and excellent policing at the district, Karbi Anglong Police intercepted several drug peddlers and seized huge amount of illicit drugs from their possession. As per the sources, it was reported that the recovered drugs was compiled together and weighed around 224 kilograms from 15 different cases across the district. 3.48 kilograms of heroin, 220.065 kilograms of cannabis, 2,102 numbers of tablets, and 26 bottles of cough syrup was flamed and disposed at the event. DSP Headquarter Nahid Karisma, APS, while speaking to us, informed that the value of the recovered drugs would worth an amount as much as rupees 2,75,90,050.
ড্ৰাগছ যিবিলাক ৰিকভাৰী হৈছে তেনেকুৱা আমাৰ 15টা কেছৰ যিখিনি ড্ৰাগছ ৰিকভাৰ হৈছিলে তাত আমি ড্ৰাগ ডিছপ'জেল কমিটিৰ এপ্ৰুভেলৰ মতে আজি আমি ড্ৰাগছটো ডিছপ'জ কৰা হৈছে তাৰ ভিতৰত আপোনাৰ হিৰ'ইন 3 কেজি 0.48 গ্ৰাম ডিছপ'জ কৰা হৈছে গাঞ্জা 222.065 কেজি চেম্প্লেক্স টেবলেট 2,102 numbers of Simplex tablets আৰু কফ চিৰাপৰ 26টা বটল ডিছপ'জ কৰা হৈছে এই গোটেই সাইকোট্ৰপিক সাবষ্টেন্স আৰু নাৰ্কটিক ড্ৰাগছৰ মূল্য হৈছে 2,72,90,050 rupees আৰু আমি যেতিয়া ডিছপ'জ কৰাৰ আগত যেটো আমাৰ প্ৰচিডিউৰ আছে NDPSৰ এক্টৰ মতে এই মতে আমি এটা ড্ৰাগ ডিছপ'জেল কমিটি ফৰ্ম কৰা হৈছে আৰু তাৰ পিছত আমাৰ পলিউশ্যন কন্ট্ৰোল বৰ্ডৰ এপ্ৰুভেলৰ পাছত আমাৰ আজি ডিছপ'জ কৰা
Longsodar Inkti's report from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.